are Jiin Haur Industrial Company from Taiwan. We are the professional manufacturer and we have more than 40 years experience in garden tools, especially in drop horticultural shears. And now we are introducing you some small pruners also made by drop forge, which is lighter and easy to use for everybody. We have different materials such as plastic and zinc. No matter you are a professional user or DIY user, you can find all you need in our company. If you are interested in our products, please check out our website for more products, and we are very welcome you to visit our company.